Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. In today's video guys, we're looking at Mongolian beef. So it's going to be a slow cooker recipe. It's going to be incredibly simple just to kind of get together. You can put this together in the morning, go out to work and come back and have it for dinner. It's so simple, right? So what you need for the Mongolian beef. We need our stewing beef. This is just stewing beef that I got in the local supermarket. I'll put all the ingredients in the description below, but I'll also put it on the screen here. Can you see it? Here, somewhere? See that? So we need our stewing beef, okay? We need our flour for the stewing beef to go into. I'll explain more in a second. We have our trinity of flavors, our aromatics. We've got a ginger, we've got a garlic, and we also have a bit of chili there as well, right? I have some scallions. I have some dark brown sugar for the sauce, and I've got some soy sauce as well. Soy sauce. And last but not least, we need a bit of chicken stock as well for the sauce as well, right? And a bit of water add a little bit. Right. So, yes. What? You okay? Sorry, lad. Parenting. Okay, so we bring our flour in here. I haven't seasoned this at all, guys, right? So it's just pure, plain flour itself, all right? I'm gonna get our stewing beef. Which we wanna ensure that the beef is coated in the flour. Okay, look at this. There we go. Now we're cooking. See there, we just seared off the meat a little bit. So it's just nicely brown on all sides, okay? Okay, so we've got all our stewing beef browned off, which looks fantastic in the bowl. What we have to do now is kind of add our bits and pieces. So, as I said earlier on, guys, we've got our chili, we've got our garlic, and we've got our ginger, right? Now, ginger, exactly. Sorry, my little girl here is helping me as well. Is that right, Emmy? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for 3 squirts of this, of each of these tubes. Okay? I think she'll love Emmy, yeah. Just mix that around, guys. So we've got a half a cup of soy sauce, okay? Now, remember, soy sauce is quite salty anyway, so we don't need to season this really. A bit of black pepper, no problem, but we have enough in the salt. What I have here is just a half a cup of dark brown sugar, guys, and that goes up. And then, guys, we need our stock cube, right? So we're gonna put in about 500 mils of water. So you got the beef, you got the sugar, you got the soy sauce, you have our garlic, you got our chili, you got ginger as well. That looks absolutely gorgeous. While we're waiting for the kettle to boil, we need to do our spring onions. I have 500 milliliters of water, right? I'm going to put my stock cube into the water. Okay, so just give it a quick mix, guys, and then we're going to pour it in. Just mix it around, guys. Okay. So you want to make sure that most of the meat is going to be underneath the water. In terms of timings for this cook, right? The longer the better, right? In a slow cooker, it's going to make sure that the meat really tenderizes and really kind of gets lovely and soft. So really, leave it as long as you like in there. So pop back to us in about 3 or 4 hours, or 4 or 5 hours, and we'll see how we're getting on. Right, guys, so it has been about, we put this on at around 2:30, And it is now 7:46. So quick maths, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot. But it's looking fantastic, right? So I'm just going to bring it over and show you guys. Absolutely gorgeous looking. Absolutely beautiful. The sauce is thickened as well first, which is great. Now we just have to serve it. Add some more spring onions on top. And that, my friends, is Mongolian beef. Let's give it a taste. Now, we use stewing beef here, remember? So that takes a long time for it to break down, but good taste. Oh my god. Oh guys, that is so soft. Yeah. Wow, that's so good. Guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. I really do appreciate it. If you found anything in the video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're trying to do at least one recipe a week going forward, and possibly even 2, or maybe a short in there as well. So look, thank you guys. I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm going to go off now and finish off my Mongolian beef. Thank God it worked out.